Let's express 123 divided by 5 as a mixed fraction in the form a and b over c. Let's use long division. We have 123 divided by 5. 5 times what is 12? 5 times 2 is 10. Draw a line and subtract. 12 minus 10 is 2, and we drop the next digit, a 3. 5 times what is 23? Let's try 4. 5 times 4 is 20. Draw a line. 23 minus 20 is 3. So now we have a quotient 24 as your a value. So the answer is 24, and this here is your remainder over your divisor, which is on the left side here. So 123 divided by 5 as a mixed fraction is 24 and 3/5, which is the same thing as 24 plus 3 over 5. Let's now express 123 divided by 5 as an improper fraction, where you have some numerator over denominator, where the numerator is greater than the denominator. Well, the answer is right in front of our eyes. The numerator is whatever is to the left of the division symbol. So it's 123 over the denominator, which is to the right of the division statement. So the answer is 123 over 5. We literally just copy the numbers on top and the bottom. Let's now express 123 divided by 5 as a decimal number. We use long division. 123 divided by 5. 5 times 2 is 10. We draw a line and subtract. 12 minus 10 is 2, and we drop the next digit, 3. 5 times what is 23? We go 5 times 4 is 20, and we subtract, we get a 3. Now we reach the end here of 1, 2, 3, the ones column, so we put a decimal here towards the right, and we drop a hidden 0. 5 times what is 30? It's 6. 5 times 6 is 30, and we subtract, and there's no remainder, so we're done. 123 divided by 5 as a decimal number is 24.6. Now it's your turn. Let's express 4,321 divided by 5 as a decimal. We have 4,321 divided by 5. 5 times 8 is 40. Draw a line. We subtract. 43 minus 40 is 3. We drop the next digit, 2. And 5 times what is 32? 5 times 6 is 30. We subtract and drop the next digit, a 1. 5 times 4 is 20, and we had a remainder of 1. Now we reach the end, the ones column of 4321, so we put a decimal here. We drop a hidden 0. 5 times what is 10? It's 2. 5 times 2 is 10, and there's no remainder, so we put a 0 here when we subtract. So this here is a decimal answer. Let's express 0.4 as a fraction. 0.4 is the same thing as 0.4 divided by 1. Any number divided by 1 is itself. And in math, you're allowed to multiply the top and bottom by 10. So when you multiply the top by 10, the decimal place moves 1 digit to the right. So the 0.4 now becomes a 4, or 4.0. And 1 times 10 is 10. So we're multiplying top and bottom by 10. And it's always a good idea to reduce the fraction. 4 divided by 10 is 2 over 5. So here is your simplified fraction. Now it's your turn. 0.02 as a fraction. What is it? 0.02 over 1, if you multiply the top and bottom by 100, the decimal place moves 2 units to the right, and 1 is the same thing as 1.0. When you multiply by 100, the decimal place ends up here, and you fill in all these zeros. So the answer is going to be 2 over 100. You fill in a 0 here. Now what is 2 over 100? Divide top and bottom by 2, we have 1 over 50. So this here is a reduced fraction.